In the labyrinth of life, have you ever encountered a door slammed shut in your face, only to discover it was the pivotal moment that steered you towards unforeseen greatness? Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey into the profound wisdom of transforming rejection into triumph, inspired by none other than the Stoic titan Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every no isn't a roadblock, but a secret passage to something far greater. Rejection, a word that often stings, can become your launchpad to unparalleled success. It's not about defying fate, but about understanding that behind every closed door lies a hidden gateway to personal evolution. Are you feeling overlooked, ignored, or underestimated? It's time to rewrite the narrative. In this exploration, we'll unveil 13 potent lessons drawn from ancient philosophy, each a beacon guiding you to harness the power of rejection in your own life. These aren't mere theories. They are battle-tested strategies designed to reshape your perspective and redefine how you navigate through life's inevitable challenges. Before we dive deep, ensure this transformative knowledge reaches its rightful place. Smash that like button, ring the bell icon. It's your signal to the universe that you're ready to uncover the transformative potential of rejection. Let's embark together on a journey where every setback becomes a springboard, every no a resounding yes to your extraordinary future. Have you ever experienced the jolt of a door slamming shut in your face, only to realize later that it was the best thing that could have happened? Today, we delve deep into the art of turning rejection into opportunity, inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, a renowned Stoic philosopher. Imagine living in a world where every no isn't a setback, but a stepping stone towards something greater. Rejection, often accompanied by a sting, can actually propel you forward on your path to greatness. It's about understanding that sometimes what seems like a closed door is actually redirecting you towards a more fulfilling path. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll unpack 7 essential strategies drawn from Stoic philosophy and real-world wisdom to help you harness the power of rejection. These are not just theoretical concepts, they are actionable principles that can transform your daily life. Number 1. Embrace indifference. The power of ignoring them. When faced with indifference or dismissal, it's easy to feel hurt or resentful. However, Stoicism teaches us that our worth is not defined by others' opinions or actions. Instead of dwelling on rejection, rise above it. Ignore those who ignored you, not out of pettiness, but as a statement of self-worth. Focus on your goals, interests, and happiness. Invest your energy where it truly matters. This isn't about retaliation, but about building a fortress of self-respect that shields you from external judgments. Number 2. Master your emotions. The Stoic response. Rejection often triggers emotional responses like frustration or sadness. Stoicism advocates for a different approach, maintaining composure and introspection. Instead of reacting impulsively, take a step back. Understand why the rejection affects you and focus on what you can control, your actions and responses. This approach isn't about suppressing feelings, but about responding thoughtfully and gracefully. By mastering your emotions, you cultivate inner strength and resilience. Number 3. Detach and redirect, removing them from your mind. Detachment is a powerful tool when dealing with rejection. It's not about ignoring or forgetting the rejection, but channeling its energy into personal growth. Acknowledge the rejection, learn from it, and then shift your focus to activities that enrich your life and broaden your horizons. Surround yourself with positivity and engage in experiences that challenge and inspire you. This shift in perspective turns rejection from a setback into an opportunity for self-discovery. Number 4. Demonstrate your value, turning setbacks into comebacks. Rejection tests your resilience and self-confidence. Instead of letting it undermine you, use it as motivation to showcase your abilities. Channel the energy from rejection into constructive actions that highlight your strengths and talents. Focus on projects or initiatives that align with your skills and passions. This proactive approach not only reaffirms your self-worth, but also opens doors to new opportunities that better suit your abilities. Number 5. Silence speaks volumes. Cutting off contact strategically. Silence can be a powerful response to rejection. It's not about playing games, but about reclaiming your power and maintaining your emotional well-being. By choosing not to engage further, you set boundaries that prioritize your peace of mind. This silence isn't passive. It's a deliberate choice to refocus on your goals and values. It communicates self-respect and confidence, showing that your worth isn't dependent on external validation. Number 6. Prove yourself through actions. Using rejection as fuel for growth. Actions speak louder than words, especially in the face of doubt or dismissal. Use rejection as fuel to surpass your own expectations. Instead of seeking validation from others, invest in personal growth and development. Improve your skills, take on new challenges, and let your achievements speak for themselves. This approach shifts the focus from proving others wrong to proving yourself capable of overcoming challenges and achieving success. Number 7. Embrace joy and connection. Going out and living fully. Life doesn't pause because of rejection. Embrace joy and connection as acts of defiance against adversity. Seek out experiences that bring you happiness and fulfillment, whether through hobbies, social activities, or personal growth opportunities. Surround yourself with supportive relationships and shared experiences that remind you of your resilience and worth. By engaging fully in life, you reaffirm that rejection is just a detour, not a destination. Each of these strategies embodies Stoic principles that encourage resilience, self-mastery, and growth in the face of rejection. By applying these lessons, you not only navigate rejection with grace, but also transform it into a catalyst for personal and professional development. Remember, the journey towards mastering the art of resilience is ongoing. Each rejection is an opportunity to discover more about yourself and your capabilities. Embrace these principles, apply them to your life, and watch as rejection becomes a tool for your success and fulfillment. As we draw to a close on this transformative journey through the art of Stoic resilience and the power of turning rejection into triumph, remember this: every setback you face is not a wall, but a door waiting to be opened. By embracing rejection as a catalyst for growth, you've embarked on a path paved with resilience, wisdom, and unwavering determination. Each lesson learned, each strategy embraced, brings you closer to a version of yourself fortified by the challenges you've overcome. I encourage you to apply these teachings in your daily life. Let rejection be your guidepost, not your stumbling block. Share your stories of triumph in the comments below. Your journey of resilience inspires us all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay connected with more empowering content. Together, let's continue mastering the art of Stoic resilience, transforming every setback into a stepping stone towards a life filled with boundless possibilities. Until next time, stay strong, stay resilient, and keep turning every challenge into an opportunity for growth.